Hi everyone, this lesson will focus on adding a positive and negative integer. So, the rule when adding a positive and negative integer is, when adding a positive and negative integer, subtract the two numbers and take the sign of the number with the larger absolute value. So let's take a look at the problem we have on the screen right now. We have positive 10 plus negative 3. So the rule states that instead of adding, we're going to subtract. So I'm going to take 10 and I'm going to subtract 3 from it. So 10 minus 3 is going to give me 7. Now I'm going to look at both numbers, and I'm going to look at the absolute value for both numbers. The absolute value of 10 is 10. It's 10 spaces from 0 on a number line. The absolute value of negative 3 is 3, because it's 3 spaces from 0 on the number line. So which number is larger in terms of absolute value? Well, the 10 is. And what sign is the 10? Well, it's a positive 10, so it's a positive sign. So our answer to 10 plus negative 3 is going to be positive 7. Our next problem is negative 12 plus positive 4, or plus 4. So again, we're going to follow the same rule. We're going to subtract. So I'm going to take the 12, and I'm going to subtract 4 from it. 12 minus 4 is 8. So I'm going to put 8 here in my answer, but I don't know if it's negative or positive. So again, let's look at the second part of the rule. We need to take the sign of the number with the larger absolute value. So let's take a look at the absolute value for negative 12. Well, it's going to be 12 because negative 12 is 12 spaces away from the 0 on a number line. And the absolute value for 4 is 4 because it too is 4 spaces away from 0 on the number line. So which absolute value is bigger? 12 is. What's the sign of 12? It's negative, so my answer is going to be negative. So negative 12 plus positive 4 equals negative 8.